In this video, I'm going to take you through a guided 30-minute Qigong lung sound practice, which can help you to clear sadness and grief and imprint new healing energy into your lungs' energetic field so you can feel more inspiration and courage. Hi, my name is Liz and I help sensitive and intuitive people relax and build resilience with mind-body practices and bioenergetics. And today I'll walk you through an extended Qigong lung practice you can use for deep energetic clearing of the lungs. This practice is particularly good if you're feeling a lot of grief, sadness and loss. And when you use this practice every day for at least a week, you will feel a significant shift in your emotional world. It's also useful if you just want to build your sense of feeling more inspired about your life and want to take your vibrational frequency even higher. I've time-stamped the different sections below if you want to skip to certain parts the next time you come back to this video. Today we'll explore the vocal lung sound of the Qigong 6 healing sounds, as well as the body positions and colors that enhance this practice. If you would like to explore a quick version of all the Qigong 6 healing sounds, check out the video that's just popped up on your screen now. The quick version is not as in-depth as this practice we will do today, but we'll give you an overview of the sounds. I'll also link this in the description along with some other useful Qigong related videos. Also, if you're interested in a body field scan analysis, be sure to stay to the end of this video where I'll explain a little bit about it and how you can get your own scan. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to be alerted when I upload new videos. The sound of the lungs is Zzz. The letter Z is emphasized. In this toning exercise, the body has specific positions to emphasize the acoustics of the lungs. So when you breathe in, you're going to rise your arms up and face your palms up to the sky and keep your eyes open while you look up to the back of your hands. So breathing in and begin. Relax your arms down, soften through the belly, feel into your body. Breathe normally, sinking back into your chair. And let's do it again. Breathing in. Relax the arms down. Feel into your jaw. Release the jaw. Breathe normally. Inhale and rise arms again. Release arms. Breaking up that stagnation of emotional stuckness, depression, sadness. Imagine these emotions just vibrating away and releasing through your auric field with a sound. Breathing in. Arms down. Notice if you feel any buzzing and tingling sensations around your body. And this time, as you make the sound, keep your teeth together. Allow the lips to part to let the sound out. So breathing in. Relax arms down. Soften through the jaw again. Rising arms again, breathe in. Let the belly go. Be aware of what's happening inside of your body. Maybe you sense more blood circulation. Maybe you feel champagne-like bubbles throughout your body. Let's make the sound for the last time. Big breath in, rise arms, look up. Close your eyes. Imagine the sun shining into your lungs. The light transforms into a brilliant white colour. The colour of fluffy clouds, pretty roses, the ice sheets in the Arctic. Raise the palms of your hands to face your chest about 20 centimeters away from your body. Smiling into your lungs. And just imagine brilliant white light pouring out from the palms of your hands into your chest area, absorbed by your lungs. Corners of the mouth rise slightly to emphasize the smiling energy into your lungs. Allow yourself to bathe in that smiling energy and that brilliant white colour. And that white expands beyond your body, encasing your entire body. Even if you can't find something to smile about, that doesn't matter. It's about the intention to smile and absorb the colour white. Transmuting all the stagnation we've just released and placing that new information from the purification of the colour white combined with the smiling energy, expanding beyond ourselves. Breathe it in. Feel it. Allow this to be your new state, your transformed state. The more you practice this, the more this will become a default within your emotional life. Sitting up straight, open your eyes and take note of the lung meridian. Trace it from the base of your thumb all the way up the inner arm to the collarbone and down. And then reverse that trace from the collarbone all the way back down to the thumbnail. Then raise your arms, lock them out, and flex your fingers back towards your arms. Keep your fingers straight and your hands activated. Tilt your head one way and feel the stretch down the side of your neck. And then tilt your head the other way. Breathe out as you lean your head towards the shoulder. Switching sides. Keep the arms activated, fingers flexing back, and feel that stretch all the way down the inner arms. When you've stretched evenly on both sides, relax the arms down into your lap. Now notice the sensations in your body, the awareness of the lines of energy. In this session, we'll make the subvocal sound of the lungs, which is Ssssss, where we emphasize the sound of S. Rising your arms up over your head and face your palms towards the sky. Breathe in, look up, and let the sound out. Relax the arms back down. Close your eyes. Feel the sensations in the chest and the arms. As we make this sound, imagine your lungs are letting off steam, evaporating excess sadness, grief, depression, loss. So rise your arms and breathe in and look up. Make the sound again. Relax the arms down, close your eyes, and visualize that meridian line again. Imagine energy moving from the base of the thumb just to below the collarbone and back again, like a river flowing, unobstructed. If you were free of these lingering feelings of depression and sadness, how would this energy line run down your arm? How would it flow? Imagine this energy line has a lifeboat floating down the arm, being set free out of the thumb. Feel whatever emotion comes up. Then as you make your next sound, imagine releasing even more from this meridian line out of the thumb and evaporating those emotions like steam. Breathing in, looking up, and make the sound. Arms down. Notice what's happening inside of you. Maybe a sense there's more flow to your emotions. Maybe you're feeling them more intensely, or maybe they're shifting. Whatever you experience is right for you. Let's make the sound again. So breathe in, rise the arms, look up. Relax the arms, close the eyes, and be present to what you're feeling. Letting go of stagnation, allowing for flow. Breathing in, rise arms, look up. And relax the arms again. Close the eyes. Notice your breath. Soften through your belly. Let go of your jaw. Relax through your face. Relax the tongue. And be present to the here and the now. Sitting with these emotions, giving them permission to be present. Imagine you're standing on top of a mountain. You feel the cool air against your face. You breathe the fresh air deeply. A smile comes to your face, feeling inspired with all the scenery in front of you. The vast landscape, the fluffy clouds, the blue sky, the shining sun. Face the palms of your hands towards your lungs and imagine you're bringing the color white from those fluffy clouds into your lungs from the palms of your hands. And this purifying white colour spreads throughout your body, enveloping your whole being. And you smile into your lungs and smile into your chest and feel the expansion within, bringing in a sense of hope and courage that you can move forward, feeling released from the stagnation of depression, feeling brave, and feeling joy enter into the pores of your lungs. Amplify that smiling energy within the lungs. Feel that sense of victory, having climbed a large mountain and reaching its peak. A sense of happiness, expansion, feeling uplifted. Absorbing the colour white and all its healing properties, purifying, transforming, stagnation to freedom, inspiration and creativity. Stay with that feeling and keep smiling into your lungs, continuing to absorb the colour white and all its properties. In this session, you'll be making the sound of the lungs internally. And by doing this, you're clearing away stagnation more on a spiritual level. The sound you will make in your mind is still Ssssss, but you will mentally make the sound rather than actually making a sound. So this sound will help reach back in time to your ancestral roots and help clear their pain and sadness, which is still affecting you today. As you make the sound, there's no need to change your breath. The sound internally can be long or short. There'll be no rhythm to it, just make the sound when it feels right for you. Feel into what you would like to clear, and then make the sound in your mind. Imagining the sadness, the grief, the depression that reaches back into time, evaporating, moving, losing its stagnation. So as I continue to talk now, keep making the sound internally. Come back to visualizing your lungs
and the sadness associated. And imagine this sadness just evaporating like steam off your lungs as you make the sound. You're clearing a pathway for more joy, for inspiration, expansion in your chest area, the ability to absorb new, fresh ideas and take action on them. This is what feeling inspired is all about. Feel yourself encased in this sound. Letting go. Allowing the sound to transport this stagnation elsewhere. Transforming it. Using it as fertilizer for something more productive in your life. Negative emotions are not bad. We just need to learn how to use them. The sound is a bridge to take us there. Stay relaxed in your body as you internally make this sound. Relax the jaw and tongue. Keep the breathing normal. And now it's time to come back into the white light. Bring that smile back into your lungs. Corners of your mouth turn up to emphasize this smiling energy in your chest. Sense the white energy, the white frequency of purification, transformation. Allow that white to expand to a point that you feel an explosion of shimmering brilliance from your chest. You've taken an emotional journey, and this is the part where you program your body and your mind and your soul to feel inspiration and courage, and visualize yourself in this white light and moving forward in your life with confidence, with smiling energy, with trust, knowing that you can transform negativity into something that you can use. So take this smiling energy and expand it beyond your body, beyond the room that you're in, beyond the building that you're in, growing it bigger and bigger, reaching suburbs, reaching cities, reaching countries, and impacting the universe you are in. The healing energy within, the smile within, feel it. That's all you need to do.
If you enjoyed this practice, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how this practice made you feel. And before you go, if you would like to take a deeper dive into your body's energetic functioning and what you can do to enhance your energy flow in general, you can take a voice scan analysis of your body field and find out exactly where in your energy field needs more attention and what you can do about it, which will help you move forward with your overall well-being. So if you want to learn more about this, check out the video that just popped up on your screen now, or check the link below to get started. You can also check out my app, Energy Training with Liz.passion.io, or you can find it on the Apple App Store by searching Energy Training with Liz to learn more about what I do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.